This is a full AI agent. It has memory, it calls tools, it reasons through multi-step tasks, and I built it entirely in TypeScript. No Python, no context switching, none of the AI stuff is in a separate Python service. This is Mastra v1. It just went stable. And if you are a TypeScript developer who's been waiting for a native agent framework, your wait is over. Let me tell you what it's been like building AI agents as a TypeScript developer. You find a tutorial, it's Python. You look at a document for a new feature, it shipped to Python 3 months ago. TypeScript coming soon. The JavaScript versions work, but they have always felt like ports. Translation of Python concepts into JavaScript syntax. The patterns still think in Python. State management that doesn't align with how Node apps work. You are constantly translating concepts. But here's what changed. The team behind Gatsby, the React framework that powered millions of sites, they have been building Mastra for the past year. And this month, it went v1 stable. This isn't a port from Python. This is agent primitive designed for TypeScript from day one. Memory, tools, workflows, observability. Patterns that feel native to how you already build Node and next.js applications. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a working AI agent with multi-provider model routing, switching between GPT, Claude, Gemini with one line. A memory that persists across sessions. Custom tools the agent can call. Front-end UI that updates in real time. All TypeScript, all deployable into your existing Node infrastructure. Before we build, let me show you what we are making. This is a research assistant. I give it a topic, it searches the web, summarizes what it finds, and saves the result to a database. Watch what happens. The agent is searching about the task. It's calling the search tool. Now it's reading the results, summarizing, and saving to the database. This isn't just a chat completion. It's an agent making decisions about which tool to use and when. And here's the architecture. The agent runs in a next.js API route. The front end streams the responses, all type safe. If I change the tool schema, TypeScript tells me everywhere I need to update. This is what native TypeScript support feels like. No any types, no runtime surprises. The framework knows what your agent can do. Let's build this from scratch. First, the setup. The CLI scaffolds everything. Let me show you what it generates. Clean structure, agents in one folder, tools in another. Let's look at the main file. Notice the import path. That's v1's subpath export. Everything has its own import path now. Register your agents, configure the server, done. Now let's build the interesting part, the agent itself. A few things to notice here. First, the model string, OpenAI/GPT. This is Mastra's model routing. You can switch to Anthropic Claude or Sonnet or Google Gemini just by changing this string. Same code, different provider. Second, the tools. These are typed. Let me show you what that means. Those schemas for the input. TypeScript infers the types. If the agent tries to call this tool with wrong parameters, Mastra catches it before execution. Pay attention to that execute signature. In v1, input data comes as the first parameter directly, not wrapped in an object. This is a breaking change from the beta. The schema is not just for validation. It's for the large language model to understand what parameters the tool accepts. And it's for your IDE to give you autocomplete. Now, Let me show you the features that made me switch to Mastra. The model routing, one unified interface, 1,833 models across 71 providers. You don't install separate SDKs. You don't learn different APIs. Change the string, change the model. And here's where it gets powerful. Fallbacks. If OpenAI is down, automatically fall back to Claude. No custom error handling, no try catch. Mastra handles it. An agent without a memory is another fancy API call. Let's add persistence. Memory in V1 uses a composable architecture. You import the memory class from Mastra/memory. Then use storage adapter from Mastra for Postgres. The agent now remembers previous conversations. Now when a user comes back and says, "Remember that research we did?" the agent actually does. Conversation history, semantic search over past interactions, all handled. Here's something that sets Mastra apart from other frameworks. Server adapters. Most agent frameworks run as separate processes. You deploy your main app, then deploy the agent server. Then connect them with HTTP calls. It's complex, it's fragile. Mastra run inside your existing Express app. Same process, same deployment. The agent is just another route. This is new in V1. Server adapters for Express, Hono, Fastify, and Koa. Pick whatever your team already uses. No architecture changes required. Last piece, streaming to the front end. Standard streaming pattern: fetch the stream endpoint, read chunks, update the UI. The agent sorts appear in real time. No special client library required. It is just HTTP streaming. Work with any React setup. Next.js, Remix, Vanilla React. What we have so far is an AI agent with tools and memory, running in our existing Express server, streaming to the React frontend. All TypeScript, all type safe, all deployable today. Now let's talk about what makes this V1 special. The features that justify calling this production ready. Mastra has been in beta for months. What pushed it to V1? First, server adapters. Run Mastra inside your existing Express, Hono, Fastify, or Koa apps. No separate process needed. Second, composite storage. Configure different backends for memory, workflows, and scores. Per domain storage flexibility. Third, agent networks. Multiple agents can collaborate, with a routing agent deciding which specialist handles each query. And there's embedded documentation. The NPM package includes documents that coding agents like Claude Code and Cursor can read directly from Node modules. Here's what I want you to take away from this. For years, TypeScript developers have been building workarounds. Python microservices, awkward bridges, the AI stuff is over there. Mastra V1 ends this. You've got agents, memory, tools, streaming, verification. All in one language you write every day. No context switching, no split code bases. The 𝐶ATSPY team built this. They know what production TypeScript looks like, and they have built the framework I wish existed 2 years ago. The code from this tutorial is on GitHub, link in the description. Mastra documents at mastra.ai. The starter template gets you running in under a minute. Python had its run. TypeScript developers, your framework just want V1. If this changed how we think about building AI agent, hit like. Subscribe for more AI engineering that does not assume you want to learn a new language. What would you build next? Drop in the comments. Let's build.